Hello and welcome SQL tutorial class 5. Uh, Today we are going to learn about how to insert, update, delete values in a table, plus how to alter, drop and truncate table. Okay. So let's understand first definition of each command one by one. So what is the meaning of insert? So insert into command is used to add new records into a table in MySQL database. Then update command is used to modify existing records in a table in MySQL databases. Then delete command is used to remove existing records from a table in MySQL databases. Then truncate is used to remove all the records from the table in MySQL database, effectively resetting it to its original state without dropping the table itself. So what is a altered? We have also drop command, right? So what is the difference between drop command and truncate command? It's a minor difference. If you apply a drop command, then it will delete all full table. But if you use truncate command, that will only delete the content which are in the table, which are stored in the table, not the columns. Okay, you will have the column, but you will not have a content inside. So that's why it is written effectively resetting to its original set without dropping the table itself. So your table will be there, but content will be not. This is the meaning of truncate command. Then next is alter table. It's alter table is used to modify the structure of a table, and this can include adding, modifying, and dropping columns as well. If with the help of alter table, you can drop column also. You can change data type also, constraints also, indexes also. So this is let's insert some values in the table. This is a syntax of inserting value in the table. This insert into table, then column 1, column 2, column 3, and value. This is example. These values we are going to insert in MySQL. Customer ID, customer name, age, city, salary, and customer table. We are using a new command, insert into. Let's do MySQL workbench. So we have already learned how to create a table. Now we are learning how to insert values in table. So for inserting value, you need to write the command insert into table name. Our table name is customer. Then we are putting this, we have already know how to create table, giving each column name or data type. Like for customer ID, we put integer, customer name, age, city, salary. So after creating table, here we can see we have already created a table in schemas. Now for putting this value, you need to write values like this, query like this, and select all and execute. Here we have successfully executed our values into table. Now, if you want to see the value is executed or not, you can see by select command, select start from table name is customer and execute. See, you can see in table we have inserted our value in customer ID 1234, customer name Sam, then time jam, then age, city, salary. So that's how you can insert the values in your table. We'll see how to update our values in the table. Update means if you want to modify existing records, or you want to change any records in the table, then you need to use command update. The update command is used to modify existing records in a table in a MySQL database. So this is a syntax for update table. Like you need to write update, then table name, then you need to set a column name and value, column 2 value like that, and you need to use a where clause for particular ID for what you want to change the value. And this is a Example, update customer is table name, then set customer name is equal to Shyam, age is 32, and where customer ID is 4. So we are going to change customer ID 4, name and age. So let's see practically how it works. See, customer ID 4, ID number 4 has name Jen, but and his age is 42, but we want instead of Jam, we want to change his name, customer name Shyam, and age from 42 to 32. So we need to write a query, update query, and execute. Here you can see update customer. This is customer table. This is a table name. This is set column name. We want from Jam to Shyam. So we have given a new name Shyam, and age instead of 42 we want 32. And we are using where clause because we want for a particular ID number 4. So here this is ID number, customer ID number 4. So select this and execute. If you want to see your value get change or not, so you can use select command, select star from customer and execute. So here you can see ID number 4 has changed his name Shyam from Jam to Shyam and age from 42 to 32. So this is how you can update your tables value. Let's learn about how to delete values in the table. The delete statement is used to remove existing records from a table in a MySQL database. This is a syntax for deleting records. Like you need to write delete from table name, and you can use where condition, where clause. This is example of deleting a value. Delete from customer table where customer ID is 3. So let's understand this by practical example. Row from table, you can write this query, delete from customer, where customer ID is 3. Here you can see 3 PAM, information about the customer PAM, it will get deleted. So for delete this row, customer ID 3, you need to write this query, delete from customer table, where customer ID is equal to 3. Select this, execute. Now to check your row is deleted or not. So write select star from stop and execute. Here you can see row number 3 is deleted. So this is how delete command works. The next topic is alter table. How to alter table. So the alter table statement is used to add, delete, or modify columns in an existing table. In our previously we have seen how to delete a rows in a particular table. Now we have, if you want to make any changes in column, then you can use this command alter table. There are 3 ways you can use alter table command, like for adding new column, or if you want to drop any column, you want to delete any column, or you want to make any changes, you want to change any data type or give any constraint, different constraint, you can use this alter table command. So alter table, for adding new column, you can use this syntax. Alter table, you need to write alter table, then table name, then you need to write add column and new column name. Then alter table, then next is drop. How if you want to drop delete particular column, then you need to write alter table, then drop that particular column name, then a particular table name, then drop column name. And this is next is alter table after modify column syntax. If you want to change any data type of the particular column, then you need to write alter table, then table name, then alter column, then new column name and new data type. If you want. This is very simple. You can do by yourself. So I'm not going to give do this alter table special. This you can do by yourself. Now we are moving to next topic, that is truncate and drop table. Last topic of today's video is drop and truncate table. The drop table command deletes a table in the database, whereas the truncate table command deletes the data inside a table, but not the table itself. This is syntax for drop table. Here you can see drop table. You need to write drop table, then table name. You will delete it. You will this will help you to delete the table. And this is truncate table command where you need to write truncate table, then table name. Here you will have a table, but the data inside get deleted using this truncate table command. You will not get the data new previous data, but you will get the column name, the table. So if you want to for new add a new fresh data, you can use this command, truncate table command. So where you have all the column name, but you have a table ready, but you don't have a previous data. You if you want to change or you want to add a new data, you can add using truncate table command. This is the only difference between drop table and truncate table. Here you will get all the table will get deleted. Here only the data will get deleted. So let's see practically how it works. Here you can see we have a customer table. So first we will see how in table customer ID, customer name, age, city, salary, everything we have. Now we will use truncate table first. Truncate command first. Truncate table custom and execute. Now to see this get executed, use select. Select star step. Execute. See here all the data which we have got deleted. Customer ID only column is there, only table is there. There is no data inside. Customer ID, name, age, city, 7. Now we are using drop table command. Here, left hand side in schemas, you can see tables. We have a customer table. Now, if you want to delete this table, you can use this drop table custom. This will delete whole the data with the table. Whole the table of customer will get deleted. Execute. Drop table. Table name is customer. See, the customer table get deleted. So this is how we can use truncate table and drop table command. So here we have completed all the commands. Insert into, then we have completed all this command: insert, update, delete, plus drop table, truncate table, alter table. We have learned all these commands. Now that's it for today's video. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe, and share my videos. In next class, see you in the next class.